Hello, I'm Henecy Marquez. Today, we will discuss about the parts and function of the cells. Now, let us know what cells all about. A cell is the smallest function and structural unit of an organism that is capable of carrying out the essential life processes. According to the cell theory, all organisms are composed of either one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. So there are two types of cells, the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Now, we will learn each type one by one. Prokaryotic cells. A prokaryotic cells, it is a simple small cells which contains no nucleus. Organisms made from prokaryotic cells are very tiny, such as the bacteria or bacterium. There are main three regions of prokaryotic cells: cell wall, capsule, and a cell membrane. Cell wall is structural of layers surrounding. All prokaryotic cells have a stiff cell wall located underneath the capsule, if there is one. This structure maintains the cell shape, protects the cell interior, and prevents the cell from bursting when it takes up water. Capsule. It is a sticky outermost layer. The capsule helps prokaryotes cling to each other and to various surfaces in their environment, and also helps prevent the cells from drying out. A cell membrane separates the cells from the outside environment. A cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of all the cells from the outside environment, which protects the cells from its environment. The other parts of prokaryotic cells are the nucleus, is the space within the prokaryotic cells. Ribosome, it is the cell's organelle. Cytoplasm means that everything found inside the plasma membrane. All prokaryotic cells doesn't have flagella. Now let's proceed to eukaryotic cells. When we say eukaryotic cells, they have a defined cell nucleus which houses the cell's DNA. These are typically a lot bigger in size and more complex than prokaryotic cells. Here are the components of the cells: mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, cytoplasm, membrane, and lysosome. The types of cells are the animals and the plants. Now, let us know the components of the cells. Membrane, the outer boundary of the cells, like the skin, some substances in and keeps the express out. The mitochondria, the cells gets energy from this in human body. Food we have digestive react with the oxygen, make energy from the cells. Ribosome are likely tiny factory that makes different things, different cell function like protein. The nucleus is the brain of the cells. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus, which means the cell's DNA is surrounded by a membrane. Therefore, the nucleus houses the cell's DNA and directs the synthesis of proteins and ribosome, the cellular organism responsible for protein synthesis. Cytoplasm. This is the stuff that fills up the cell, and the lysosome clean up the place getting of waste. Organelles submit within a cell with a specific function. That's all. Thank you and God bless.